Any problem that you have requires a different form of thinking about it.
As an engineer, you're looking to do something that hasn't been done before.
I've witnessed the very worst that humankind has to offer, but also the most incredible acts of kindness.
The whole planet is now looking at how we can tackle climate change and the climate emergency.
We want to see a step change in the way that robotics exists at school and build robots that are going to improve people's quality of life.
Using our dose mapper leads to better quality of life and better survival rate.
We are pathfinders. We're creating something new here. We very much see it as a catalyst for enabling people to be part of this revolution.
It'll be great to say, in sort of 10 years' time, no, we developed this and now it's everywhere.